Welcome to this Chromperfect Training video. Today, we'll be walking you through the process of creating a sequence file in Chromperfect. A sequence file is an essential tool for automating sample analysis, allowing you to streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and ensure consistency in your results. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up a sequence file, configuring key parameters, and making the most of Chromperfect's powerful features to optimize your laboratory operations. Let's get started.
A sequence file should be thought of as a list. The most common use of a sequence file is to prepare a batch of samples for analysis, but there are many other uses for them which are detailed within the main manual. It is time to validate the method and create a sequence file. Our sequence file will download the method and acquire new data files. These files will be processed first to update our calibration file and then to analyze several samples. This section assumes that you have prepared all the necessary calibration standards and that you have one or more samples to analyze. We will prepare a sequence file which contains the information necessary to acquire and process these injections. Create a calibration injection list. It will look something like this. Here we list 2 calibration standards, each of which will be injected twice. These 4 injections provide the data to update the calibration file, one level for each injection. Your calibration list should reflect the actual number of standards, replicates, and levels in your calibration file. We don't consider channels in the calibration injection list. If your instrument supports multiple channels, then you will have multiple calibration files, which must conform to one another in terms of standards, replicates, and levels. After the calibration injections, we will run 3 samples. These are to be analyzed according to the newly updated calibration file. These analytical runs do not involve an update, so the calibration level is 0. Create a sample injection list. It will look something like this. So let's create a sequence file based on our calibration and sample lists. Go to the File Editor, pull down the File menu, and create a new sequence file. You will be presented with 3 options. Choose Empty File. You will be presented with a spreadsheet form with a single line in it. Press the Insert Entry button until you have an entry for each injection, 7 in the example. Adjust the Channels List box to indicate the number of channels on your instrument. If we change this to 2 channels, you will see 2 rows per entry, 1 row for each channel. The row headings will change to 1A, 1B, etc. At a minimum, you must supply 4 items: the raw file name, cycle number, method file name, and calibration level. If you are using an autosampler, you must supply the vial number as well. The sample name is handy, but not necessary. The 4 numbers do not matter because they support features in the calibration file which are not turned on yet. Also, review the Copy Down and Copy Down with Increment buttons. They can save you time entering data to the sequence table. Review the settings, then save the sequence file. Supply the name mytest.seq or any name you like. You can now use your sequence file to acquire data by clicking the Run button. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more chromatography training content. You might also want to follow Chromperfect on Facebook and Twitter. There will be links in the description below.